Hey guys, I'm back with another video. I guess I'm just gonna be posting 2 videos a day, maybe more if I feel like it, if I'm bored. This is called a splitgate, kind of mixture of Portal and other old school video games. So I'm gonna hop in the game and I'll be right back. And I am back. So, if you don't know what this game is, it's kind of like a mixture of Portal 2 and maybe like Halo, I'd say. Now, I'm gonna go find some people, hopefully. Now let's get into the action. Also, this is a new map that just had an update. So, this is a new map, so I don't know my way at all around this map. Crap. Okay. I'm really not good at this game, by the way. So, wait, what just happened? Huh. Guess I joined in the middle of a game. And we just lost. Oh my god, this game is so weird. I guess I'm joining another game. Okay, I'm gonna hop in a game and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back in the game. So we're playing a team deathmatch. Hopefully this time we don't get instantly demolished as soon as I join the freaking game. I think this is the new weapon. At least I'm pretty sure it is. This is another new map. I thought they only added one more. Oh no, I think this might be the same map. No, it's a new map. I'm guessing. What? Oh yes, the shotgun. I traded up for the shotgun is good in every possible way, so that's why I'm just gonna use a shotgun. What are people? Like, actually, bro, somebody's probably just flying. Yeah, you can also, jetpack. Got one. Haha. But I am really low in health. And over time, you do regenerate, I think. Oh yeah, this is really old school because you can't aim with certain guns, so that makes it kind of annoying. But at least the controls aren't inverted as soon as you start. So, oh my god, that scared the crap out of me. Scared the living life out of me. Oh man, no shotgun. Crap. Oh, okay. That was stupid of me. What is my death position though? Okay. Just so you know, I'm probably not going to do a lot of portal action because I just don't really know how to use them. I mean, if I got a controller, I know how to use them, but right now I'm just playing on my keyboard, so. Oh, he had a shotgun? That's not fair. He had a shotgun. That's not fair in any possible way. Okay, I am way too low of health, and I just got sniped. But I got a lot of health out of him. 44 to 100, that's a lot. Wish I could find a sniper. Oh, come on. So, I think we're alpha, we might not be, okay. I'm guessing we're alpha. So, don't really know what I should do right now because I don't see anybody. Okay, whatever I just did was very, very stupid. I mean, I survived the drop, then I die. Well, that's amazing. One of the teammates just died. That's also amazing. Ooh, I think this is a sniper. Or kind of like it. Well, it's like a shotgun. I guess this is more less like a shotgun. Nope, it is a machine gun. That was very unexpected. Oh, he had a shotgun. How was that fair? It's not, but whatever. Still winning. I think I've only gotten like 2 kills this whole game. Are people behind me? Nope, there's people in front of me though. 3 kills maybe? I don't think I've got a lot. Wait, it wasn't firing. Whatever. Yeah, I think my mic's on. Give me 1 second. Okay, I turned off the mic. So, ooh, plasma rifle. I can trade that out for that. I think I got a couple hits. My teammate is now dead. I'll run. Oh, come on. Okay. Hey, bye. Okay, never mind. Did I not get I didn't get a single hit on him. Yep, as you can tell, I'm super bad at this game. I guess we'll try the melee weapon. I feel like it's gonna be good, but, I mean, I guess we'll try it. I mean, no ammo, so. How bad can this thing seriously be? Just watch it, be 10 hits to kill a single person. Okay, it's an insta-kill. Got that. This thing is overpowered because of that. It is a melee, so. Oh, I love this thing. Okay, I regret everything crappy that I said about it. And then I just die. Okay, we won. I think I might have time for one more round. So, I'll be back in another round here. Okay, so I am back. Ooh, a winter map. This one's also new. There's a lot of new maps. And I'm already dead. Okay, let's retry this, shall we? Wait, this is just the waiting arena. Oh. Okay. Nope, I guess I'll be back whenever I'm in the real game. Okay, so I'm gonna capture the flag move this time, apparently. So... Oh, come on! Not that. 3, 2, 1. I might have to cut this session a little bit short, mainly because the screen recorder that I'm using only lets 15 minutes. And every time I have to, pause the recording to skip through the boring part, I might have to also pause, just so you know. But I can only last up to 15 minutes. Right now I'm at 11, so maybe I have to cut this a little bit short. I wasn't paying attention. I'm dumb. I'm dumb in every possible way. Bro, oh my god, he's AFK. Wait, is that talking about our flag? Crap. Okay, oh. No, what the? I'm dumb. Okay. I think we already know who's gonna win this. So, I'm gonna pause and go back to the menu and I will tell you who won at the end. Okay? Okay, so they won. That's really it for now. That's really it for today. Ooh, I can change my... Ooh, this is just color. Okay. I think I'm gonna have to... Ooh, you're gonna move... Oh, there's the dab. Say, anybody who blames me for getting the dab here soon? I'm sorry, I like the dab. Okay, but I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. Goodbye. Pancake Pop out.